Me. I was happy in the haze of a drunken hour, but heaven knows I'm miserable now. I was looking for a job, and then I found a job, and heaven knows I'm miserable now in my life. Blah 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 something, and I'm miserable now.
Stop. Stop. Please stop. What is that? That's awful.
It's the poet of the disenfranchised youth of Thatcher's England.
The what?
You heard me. The poet of the disenfranchised youth of Thatcher's England.
You mean the rantings of a pop star who had their heyday decades before you were born? The churlish goings-on from a celebrity singer? Set your sights higher, you malfunctioning, rusted-out pile of scrap.
You really hated it that much?
I don't know what's worst. The monotone singer who pretends to be a teddy boy. The second-rate Mercy Beat arrangements. Or the adulation from his pathetic fans, who desperately tried to find validation in 3 minutes and 34 seconds of misanthropic crap?
Wow. You can rant like no one's business.
Morrissey beat the crap out of me backstage when he smelled bacon on my breath.
What do you expect? Morrissey is an outspoken vegetarian, you know.
I was using it to hide the smell of whiskey and roasted baby seal.